What's up, everyone? So glad to be back on the channel and have you back here with me. It's your luxury real estate guide for all things Queen City, Rod Stephen. Today we're diving into an awesome property tour right here in the heart of beautiful Davidson, North Carolina. We're exploring this stunning modern masterpiece built by AR Homes, Monterey Bay, Charlotte. This particular jewel at 21119 Van Drake Circle boasts almost 5,800 square feet of living space with 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage bay. It's got this awesome flex space above that we'll see a little bit later in the video. This long driveway fits elegantly on the 225-foot lot here with even more parking outside the garage. I want to thank Don Wilkinson and the entire AR Monterey Bay team for letting us take a look around today. It's currently listed for $3.3 million, but as a custom builder, AR will allow you to select any of their floor plans from their website, or you can start from scratch. I can't wait to show you this one. More information about this house will be in the description box below. Before we jump in, remember to smash that like button and hit subscribe to join our growing YouTube family. And if you're interested in buying new construction, selling, or you're relocating to Charlotte, feel free to contact me. All my information is in the description box below, and I'd be more than happy to discuss how it can help you achieve your real estate goals. All right, let's step inside and discover the magic of this incredible home. Follow me. Now, as we approach the beautiful entrance of this fantastic home, we are greeted with this amazing painted brick and gray stucco exterior finish with those hardy board highlights. This massive entryway leads us to this front porch area. You have this enormous custom iron and glass front door, which lets in as much natural light as possible. All right, welcome in. So upon entering, I'm loving this foyer space. Lovely double height ceiling with these pronounced modern chandeliers. I love how they've chosen this darker wood here to contrast against the other design elements inside. You have this ultra modern floating staircase with these gorgeous iron railings and those thick oak treads. Today we're going to do things a little different, folks. Let's head upstairs first, then we'll head back downstairs to see the heart of the home. Follow me. All right. So let's head over to our left and take a look at our first bedroom on the second level. Here we have a gorgeous room that's front facing, and with those windows, you're getting a ton of natural light. The ensuite bathroom as well. Let's check it out. Gorgeous details and designs in this bathroom. Chrome Kohler fixture and sink on the vanity. You have this awesome semi-frameless shower with that triple color tile going all the way up the wall. A huge soap niche, and then we have a nice sized walk-in closet. Now right across the hall, they have this 12 by 10.5 foot conditioned storage space. If you wanted, and with a few design modifications, this could be a 6-bedroom, but the builder decided to add some more storage here. And then just down the hall and to your left is our bonus room. Folks, there is so much that you can do with this area. It's divided into several sections so all ages can enjoy the space at the same time. Pool table and TV on your side wall. You also have a powder bath to service all your guests as you entertain. Awesome idea. The other side has your club room with a theater area and game table. And finally, you have this awesome sunken wet bar that I can see myself having a lot of fun with. Let's take a look. Love the darker tile with those gold veins and this modern shelving. You have this black matte Kohler fixture and this excellent monogram beverage fridge. Just an excellent space. As we exit the bonus room and head down the hall, we're greeted by another wing of the house. And honestly, if anyone was thinking about multi-generational, this will be the area for that. To your right, we have our second bedroom on this level. Huge space. I'm loving the details throughout. You have your walk-in closet and a bathroom just outside. Let's go take a look. Another nicely appointed bathroom, awesome hexagon tile detail here, nice vanity and sink combo again. As we exit the bathroom and to your left, we have our final bedroom on this floor. Larger than the others at almost 17 feet across, the scale here is enormous. You have space for your bed, a night table, and even a desk to work on. I mentioned multi-gen earlier. This could be a great place for grandparents or your kids who've just graduated from college and might be returning home for their first job with their significant other. An ample bathroom and closet finish out this space. Let's go take a look. Love the tile selections here for the shower. Also really like the storage options in your closet. And to anchor these two areas, you have this space above the garage I mentioned before. This finished flex space can be anything you need it to be. I love that they have it finished off as a second living area, basically a teen hangout with games and a homework section, but I can easily see this as mom and dad's living room upstairs, Wake Forest games playing downstairs, go Deeks, or UNC ball games playing upstairs. So many options. All right, folks, let's head downstairs so we can check out the heart of the home and everything else this house has to offer. Follow me. But first, if you're still watching, give me a thumbs up if you're liking the video so far. Greatly appreciate it. So we're back downstairs. Real quick, one thing I love about this home are the sight lines. When you walk in, you can see all the way from the front door out to your pool. Awesome. To my right, you have this fantastic wine wall that can easily hold over 100 bottles of wine. As a custom builder, if you want this to be temperature controlled, it wouldn't be an issue at all. Right next to your wine wall is a lovely bar area. Gorgeous details and shelving here. Loving the countertops and this awesome monogram beverage fridge. Perfect area to entertain. And just behind the bar, we have our fourth bedroom, the main floor guest bed. So no stairs for guests if they don't want them. Fantastic details in this room. And look at these enormous Pella 400 series windows and how much natural light they let in. Just behind you have a nice sized walk-in closet and an ample guest bathroom. Follow me. Love the semi-frameless shower here with that glazed larger tile. Excellent. Now let's head over and check out the heart of the home. So more and more homes are moving away from the formal dining area, but you have this huge casual dining space just off the kitchen. Really nice area to entertain or enjoy a nice meal with family and friends. And this leads you directly into the luxurious family room. Loving this entire space. More than 11-foot ceilings here. You've got in-home surround and this lovely chandelier. Guys, check out the details here. Now let's talk about this kitchen, folks. High-end contemporary features throughout. Beautiful flat European cabinetry on those uppers and lowers. You have this huge two-tiered island with these elegant quartz countertops and lovely pendants above. You also have the high-end monogram 48-inch 6-burner gas range, the inset panel dishwasher, got a pot filler, a beautiful built-in monogram drawer microwave on the other side of the island, 48-inch side-by-side monogram refrigerator and freezer, and this enormous slab backsplash. To the right is a coffee bar area with this awesome folding pass-through window that allows you to bring the inside out, pass drinks or meal items back and forth to your party goers. Fantastic. All right. As we turn back around and to our right, we've got plenty of soft close drawers and cabinets for storage, and those cabinets even hide this vent hood just above your range. Fantastic. And speaking of hidden, if you push through here, you find your pantry and messy kitchen. Behind the kitchen is your den area. Loving the tiered spaces here. One for work and one for play. Can't lie, folks. I like this design so much I did it in my office in my own home. Then there's a full bath which can service both this floor and the pool area. Let's take a look. Love the details in this bathroom and that window above. And just outside the pool bath, you have this beautiful utility area with the mud and laundry rooms combined. I'm absolutely loving the custom cabinetry here. door leads outside to your 3-car garage. Fantastic modern doors with that gorgeous epoxy on the floor. Just an excellent space. Now, follow me back across the first level as we head into our primary bedroom. Plenty of natural light with the windows here. You have your tray ceilings and the door that leads outside to your patio area. This bedroom definitely has it all. But you haven't seen anything yet until you check out this luxurious spa bathroom. Beautiful details in this bathroom, dual floating vanities with that dark quartz counter, and those gorgeous chrome fixtures and pendants with the lit mirrors. And then we have this simply massive glass enclosure, an elegant wet room with your tub and shower. I mean, this is a private oasis, folks. You can relax here after a long day. Wow. Sophisticated contrasting tile on the walls with all those details, with all the details you could imagine. Loving the shower heads and hand wand. That window system is super unique. Matching soap boxes and that discreet linear floor drain. This bathroom screams luxury. Wow. Then we have our main walk-in closet. This is pretty much a dressing room. Built-in cabinet systems that are large enough for all your clothes and accessories. And I'm also loving this island. Now, if you watched any of my videos, you know that I like to save the best for last. Back in the living room and just outside these huge multi-slide stacking doors, it's this 19 by 17 covered porch. This area has a fantastic fireplace, and I'm loving this leathered surround. You've got motorized screens here, and then you're able to walk over to your optional outdoor kitchen and dining area. I can see myself making some nice steaks on this Fire Magic grill with the vent hood. And just outside is your massive spa and pool with the sun shelf. How could you not have a great time out here, folks? Stunning. Alright guys, that does it for another house tour of this striking modern custom home here in Davidson, North Carolina. Let me know what you guys think about this house in the comments below. Remember, AR Homes is a custom builder, so if you want to build this or another gorgeous floor plan somewhere on the lake or any luxury community, I can help get that process started with you. Hit that like and subscribe button. Be on the lookout for more videos of homes just like this one. And if you're relocating to the Charlotte or Raleigh markets anytime soon and want to build or purchase a home like this, give me a call or send me a text. My information is below. I specialize in luxury relocations and would love to assist you. Remember, luxury is an experience, it's not a price point. Be safe, and I'll see you on the next property tour. Peace.